Oh wait, I am it. I will chew your meat, guys. I will chew your meat. That crazy teddy. Because he said he's a teddy, and Peppa likes teddy, so I got his limbs for Peppa. He says he's a teddy. He said he's a teddy, and Peppa likes teddy, so I stole his limbs from him. Thank you. No problem. You're welcome. Guys, if you keep leaving and then pretending to leave, no, Daddy! Who was it? It was probably purple. Man. Oh, it's strawberry flaps. Oh, guys, we're targeting her. Oh, except from Daddy Pig. She'll know. Okay. No, I'm still targeting her. She said, bacon. She said, bacon. Oh my god, this guy's dead. This guy's cooked. He's cooked like us. Sorry, that's a dark humor joke. Because he's on one heart. If he doesn't get it right, then he's dead. It's not us. It's not us. He thought it was you, Sophie. He wasn't in the end. It didn't even say. The girl that chose Elsie. Yeah, strawberry trap. I should. Okay, I'll refill it. I know, it's still targeted now. Talkative. Guys, I'm so sad someone ate my bacon. Well, I did say at the beginning of the episode we're probably going to get eaten because we're bacon. Please don't eat me. Oh wait, no, he's not choosing who to eat. I'm just a girl. I'm just a... He gets me! It was the teddy guy. He's gonna pick him. Yeah, it only did one. I'm just a girl. That's just bad luck. I'm the thief. You can't get it now. Oh, I'm not. Never mind. I wanted to be thief. I got 30% chance. Guys, I'm gonna put my Valentine's heart socks on. Huh? I'm putting my socks on, my Valentine's heart socks on. Oh my god. Right, guys, we should just act like our normal selves. Ooh. We should just act like our normal selves, you know, on the floor. Why does someone keep saying limbs? I think that's me. I will chew their meat. I am Georgie Pig. I am. It's not. Guys, someone might get me now. No, stop yet. No, I'm scared for you. Guys, I'm so scared. It was guinea pig. Guinea pig 9. What? Girl, you just choose that, but you couldn't even do this. Now, comment down below if you like Georgie. Wait, guys, should we have a TikTok account? No. Wait, it depends. If this video goes viral, we'll create a TikTok. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I'm only coloring after this. We can make coloring and we can put it on our YouTube channel. We can make cards. Yeah, you can actually upload pictures. No, I can't. No, I know, on YouTube. On YouTube Shorts. Are you on Lessons? You can actually upload pictures on YouTube. Yeah. Daddy! It wasn't me, I promise. Who was it? Who would eat Daddy? George would. I would, but it wasn't me. Oh, I think they left. They ate you in there. No, they ate you and then they left. Guys, my chance is 50%, Rob, and I can't get it on 50. I can't get mine on 50%, but I can get mine on 0. Guys, it's gonna be me next. It's me next, because I brought be the next thief. Yeah. I did it. So it says you're next in line. It wasn't me. It wasn't me, bruv. I'm just an innocent little Georgie kid. I'm just an innocent little Georgie. Okay, it's gonna. I'm gonna be just. Oh wait. Oh wait, now it says you're first in line. Sorry. Sorry, I'm in next round. Oh my god, she left, bruv. She left it. Guys, it's me now. It's gonna be me now. Hi guys, sorry about this. It's a part 3 coming soon because it took a long time to edit once again. Thank you for watching this part 2 of Who Chewed My Bacon or Who Chewed Me. And credit to Daddy Pig and Peppa Pig. And I just found out how to do like the lyric thing, so thank God for that.